In this video, I am going to show you how to read Telegram messages without the scene. To discreetly check the most recent messages in a Telegram chat without making them as read, you can use the following method. This approach is particularly useful if you want to stay updated on a conversation without notifying the other participants that you've seen the messages, which is named Snoop and Look. Launch the Telegram application on your device. Scroll through your chat list to find the conversation you want to check discreetly. Instead of tapping on the chat to open it, long press on the user's or group's avatar in the chat list. By long pressing the avatar, a preview window will pop up, showing you the latest messages in the chat. This allows you to read the most recent parts of the conversation. Once you're done reading, simply release the long press or tap on outside the preview window to close it without opening the chat fully. Using this Snoop and Look method, the messages will not be marked as viewed, so the sender won't know that you have seen them. This feature is handy for when you want to stay informed about the conversation's latest developments without actively participating or alerting others to your presence at that moment. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.